Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I will tell you how to change mouse cursors in Windows 11. For changing the mouse pointer or cursor, first of all, you have to go to the Windows icon shown in the taskbar and right click over it. After you right click over it, you have to click over settings. After click on settings, you have to go to the left side Bluetooth and devices option. After you click on this option, on the right side you will find an option called mouse. After click on mouse, on the here you will see an option called additional mouse setting under related settings. Then this pop-up window will appear. You have to go to pointers option here. After you click on pointers, you have to go to the normal select option here. Then you have to double click on the normal select. Then here you can see different type of pointers or cursors which you can use. Let me show you by adding one. I will add this arrow working Excel for you. Double click on it, then click on apply here. After you click on apply, then OK, you will be able to see now my cursor or pointer is changed. I hope this worked for you too. Thanks for watching this video.